Hi, this is Ida. Many people asked what the sound quality looks like in the TA003 and TA004 silent disco system, and now I will show you. As you can see, I have connected with my phone. Of course, that you can connect with your iPad or the laptop. I have connected with the phone, and there is a sound in it. There are sounds in it already, but I will show you what it looks like in the real. And you can see that there is a 3.5 jacket on it. You can connect it and connect with the out speaker. But I use the FM radio for a stand. I will adjust the volume on this place. Of course, you can connect with your out speaker. This is the sound looks like. And many people asked, can I connect the mic with the system? The answer is yes. I will lower the price. I will lower the volume. Use this key, and this is lower. I use a mini microphone instead. I'll connect it. Hello, this is Ida, and if you have any questions, just email us. Just email us at support@retekess.com. support@retekess.com. As you can see, you can connect the phones, connect the mic with and broadcast the music. I guess this thing is so closer. This is the system. If you want to buy it for your business, just email us or visit our website www.retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message and hope that we can cooperate in the future. See you next time. Bye.